Yeah, I'm Smarason. I'm here to talk to you about personalized medicine. First off, I want to talk a little bit about where we are and the important aspects of personalized medicine as I see it. First of all, the sequence of the human genome about a decade ago really lays the foundation of the ability that we have now to really mine this information for knowledge and generate the promise of personalized medicine. Secondly, the rapidly falling cost of sequencing, where it's now approaching about $1,000 to sequence an individual, means that this technology is now fast becoming a mass market commodity, something that can be accessible and available to everyone, which means that more people are going to want to have their genome sequenced, and it's going to get even more utility going forward. The third aspect is then being able to take all that information, reference it back up to medical data, and understand what the genomic makeup of an individual means in terms of what specific medical applications are mostly appropriate for that particular individual. And there are at least two different aspects to this which are very important. On the one hand, it's the data storage. It's being able to store all this genomic data. And by comparison, if you sequence an individual on a whole genome basis, that is about 100 gigabytes worth of information, which is roughly the same as about 2 iPads storing nothing else. So it's a lot of information that needs to be effectively stored and readily accessible. Secondly is the computational aspect, being able to take all that data and mine it for knowledge. In other words, being able to understand how your individual genetic makeup is relevant for the diseases that you either may have or have the propensity to develop going forward, and how that can then best be addressed by perhaps a change of lifestyle, the different drugs that you might be able to take, or different treatment paths that you could be put on if you are in the position of having developed a disease. So these approaches, which we broadly could speak about as being big data challenges, are all of the technologies that need to come together to make the vision of personalized medicine a reality.